Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Thanks to Albrecht Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram in Westborough, Massachusetts. I said Jeep twice, I just realized that. We have the 2023 Dodge Charger. This is, well, not a last call edition, a last call car. Last year of the Dodge Charger. This is the SXT all-wheel drive Blacktop. So a lot of people are going to be like, well, the real last calls are the SRT models. And as a Hellcat owner myself, I kind of do agree. However, we have to realize that these Chargers in this generation, appearance like this, have been 2015 and up. So really an 8-year-old car. From initial launch of this platform, this generation, it's 2011. This is a 12-year model run, which is almost unheard of, except for things like the R35 GTR. So, while this is a V6 Charger, which a lot of people hate, at the end of the day, who knows what's next? But because this is a 2023, all Chargers and Challengers feature something pretty cool. A last call badge. Designed in Auburn Hills, Michigan, assembled in Brampton, Ontario. Matter of fact, order books are closed, and they were closed as of July 31st, 2023. So what you see and what is in process right now are the last of these cars. Pretty sad moment, but Blacktop pack, cold weather pack, navigation and travel group. As tested, 42305, granite exterior over black with houndstooth cloth. If you don't get the plus package, you get the rubberized dash. Plus package gives you a leather dash. You got Super Track pack that gives you launch control and everything for an all-wheel drive car. Launch control, okay, cool. It doesn't open up until 500 miles. I only know that because my Hellcat didn't let me do launch control until 500 miles. Right. So yes, this is a basic car. It's an SXT. It's not even the GT. But you know what? For somebody who wants a Charger, this is a really good option. And it's not a bad car. This 3.6 still puts out 300 horsepower. There's plenty of power to be had here. know, I have to say, having the 2023 model year, all these last call editions, everything like that, you know, every single manufacturer except for Tesla and Rivian has to convert to electric or hybridization. Big naturally aspirated engines are going away. It's unfortunate, but it's the case. And really only Dodge sat there and said, you know what, let's make a marketing ploy out of this. And I love that. I absolutely love that. And they're basically like, you know what, and I'm also upset, to be honest, because I bought a 22, not a 23. So I kind of got gypped. But I also ordered my 22 in the midst of the chip shortage, so I do think 2022 models are gonna be a lot more rare than the 23s. But the 23s have the bragging rights of being the last of the last call. And they really said, listen, now people can't complain and say, oh, I can't believe you got rid of the Hellcat motor. They said, listen, it's going away. This is your last model year. And you know, not a lot of manufacturers sit there and announce that. You know, Nissan did some special things for the Maxima. I think it's really, really cool that Dodge sat there and said, even in the SXT models, listen, this is the last call. I know that opinion's not going to be shared with a lot of people, because at the end of the day, a V6 Charger is, it's a cool car, but it's not anything that's special like the Hellcat. But once you drive it, you realize cars like this is a great motor. The Pentastar 3.6 liter. This thing has a ton of power. And while we're switching to the Hurricane, it's likely going to be a 2-liter 4-cylinder in these models, and the Hurricane's going to replace the SRT. But this is a pretty cool car, and it's been a staple in American car culture for the past 12 years. So it's gonna be interesting to see what they come up with for something that stood the test of time, that's been perfected through the years. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be very, very interesting to see what they come up with and how they go about it. I'm gonna miss this thing. I really am. Yeah, it's a V6, but you know what? It's just the familiarity. I love this car, even in V6 form. So with that being said, if you can't afford an SRT Hellcat, and this is all you can afford, like, I don't even know if I should bother, do it, guys. Yes, it's a base model, but whatever. It's a base model of an absolutely awesome car that you're not going to have the chance to buy anymore. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.